This is Vic here from D&V Mobile Auto. We've just come to a customer's location. They had the sunroof open and they had water come into the car and they have a mold issue. So we're going to be doing both these cars at this customer's location. The first car, you can see there's mold which has come under the seats and everywhere. Mold on the doors, on the seats, on the center console. It's basically grown in a couple of days, and the culprit is this little gap out here. So we're going to be steam cleaning this car, making sure that it's safe for the customer, and getting rid of all the mold, brushing it down, shampooing, and then putting leather conditioner to make sure, and armor all to make sure that everything is nice. And this is the second car that we will be doing. It's this one doesn't have mold, but it just has some heavy stains and all. So our technicians will get down to it. It will take about 3 to 4 hours to do both the cars, and we'll take an after video once we're done. Thank you. Please give us a call if you have any needs. 604-518-6684. We come to your location and clean your vehicles out of your location. Thank you. Hey guys, this is Vic from D&V Mobile Auto. We've just finished the Escalade, and I'm going to take an after video. It's dark out here in Vancouver, but as you can see, we do work in the nights. So just putting a flashlight here. This is the interiors. Carpets, the rear seats. We've taken out all the mold. There's no mold. We've also steamed the ceilings to make sure that we've got all the mold out. We're actually running ozone right now, so that we get all the airborne bacteria or any mold that is in the air also out. Here's the driver's side. So all in all, another good job, I guess, done by the team D&V. The customer has already checked the car and she's found it to be okay. And give us a call if you have any needs. 604-518-6684. Thank you. So we have also done the Escalade and wanted to take a video of the Corolla as well. Again, give us a call, 604-518-6684. We'll be happy to come to your house. Daylight or darkness, rain or snow, we'll be there to help you with your problems. Thank you.